Everybody, so Hurricane Melissa has impacted both people and wildlife. And what has happened during the hurricane, a number of the roofs, we have lost a number of roofs. But the next thing that has also happened, if the roof have not been fully damaged with the movement, there are now some openings where animals such as bats, which might have lost a home, normally sleep in a different roof or other man-made structure, it has damaged and they are now looking for new places to go. So if your roof is not in good condition, meaning some of the areas not sealed properly, we'll have bats and we'll take the opportunity to come in. We're asking people, please do not harm the bats. They are trying to find a safe home like you. They do a lot of work for us in terms of they catch insects, a lot of pests. They pollinate plants. They spread seeds, so they offer a lot of services to us. We know we love soursop. Some of them deal with the pollinating of plants like that, so you get a lovely soursop. So, if your roofing infrastructure right now is damaged, there's a chance that the bats could come in. Now, there are bat-friendly methods that we can do to get the bats out, so they can go out and continue to do their service and to make you feel okay in the house. All of us can survive in the environment. So I understand when a number of people reach out asking for information. We can give out information, but one of the things that we are doing at the university, we are documenting new encounters with bat. So if you see bat sleeping in a tree that you never know before, you can take a picture of the bat sleeping. If they are coming in your house, let us know, let us see if we can help. If they are at the front part of a veranda, if them they are gazebo, you name it. So from your encounter them, just share the information. Please, you do not have to harm them. I never go to the threat about protection and that. I mean, as a human, we all are trying to, get back to some normality. Our animals are trying to get back to normality. And if we don't have them, our world won't be the same. So help out in any way. So share your observation to Roosters World JA on TikTok, X, Facebook, Blue Skies. I hope I get all of that. Or send it to DL_YWHYT@yahoo.com. Send me the information. Send questions. Not afraid to help. If you can't reach out to Rooster, you can send some of the information to NEPA. All of we work together. All of we are trying to protect our friendly feather friends, bats fly like this. It's their fingers they fly by. Peace.